Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Milwaukee M18 driver on the market, the Milwaukee 29532218V Cordless Brushless 1/4 Hex Impact Driver Kit. This tool is designed to deliver exceptional power, control, and versatility, making it a must-have for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Right out of the box, the 2953-22 stands out with its brushless motor technology that provides longer life and more efficient power delivery. It's built to increase productivity on the job site with the fastest driving speed of any impact driver, all while maintaining precise control and excellent handling. Whether you're working with small fasteners or larger screws, the driver's smooth trigger control offers gradual acceleration. That helps prevent stripping screws or damaging materials. One of the key features is the 4-mode drive control system. This lets you tailor the tool's output to the job at hand, providing more versatility and fine-tuning your driving speed and torque for optimal results. The self-tapping screw mode is especially useful, designed to reduce bit walking when starting self-tapping screws, which means less frustration and fewer stripped screws. In terms of power, this impact driver delivers a whopping 2,000 inch-pounds of torque, making quick work of tough fastening tasks. It spins at a maximum speed of 3,900 RPM, ensuring you have the muscle and speed necessary to power through demanding projects. The tool runs on Milwaukee's M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 Ah batteries, which provide extended runtime and durability, so you won't be constantly interrupted for charging. Plus, the kit comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and a sturdy tool case for easy transport and storage. Another thoughtful design element is the Tri-LED lighting system. This feature illuminates your workspace from multiple angles, reducing shadows and improving visibility in dark or tight spaces. That kind of lighting can make a huge difference when precision is needed. The compact and ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even during extended use. At around 10 pounds with the batteries included, it's solid but well balanced. The metal construction adds durability without feeling overly bulky. Milwaukee's commitment to quality is clear in the details, from the variable speed trigger to the belt clip that keeps the driver within reach when you need it. This impact driver is a versatile tool, perfect for everything from framing and decking to automotive work and general fastening tasks. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and feature-rich impact driver in the Milwaukee M18 lineup, the 2953-22 stands out as an excellent choice that combines speed, power, and control seamlessly. That wraps up our look at the Milwaukee 2953-22 impact driver. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest and detailed reviews. Thanks for watching.